Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Time Traveler's Oracle by Denise Linn. This is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House, retailing for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And thank you so much to Hay House for sending this my way. All right, let's get into it. I love Denise Linn's work, so I'm excited to see this. A mystical adventure through space and time beckons you. Each journey through the deck can activate secret messages from the depths of your soul and from the universe. This sacred pilgrimage will transport you to the heart of the Creator and beyond to see the universe and yourself with new meaning. Deepen your connection to the mysterious, natural forces around you and find the long-sought answers to your most heartfelt questions. Comes with free, powerful audio downloads of guided meditations to expand your consciousness and travel through time and space. So that's exciting. Ooh, pretty. Travel through time to awaken your inner oracle. Ooh, okay, so the bottom is the same as the back of the deck there. And before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know before going into it. Nice table of contents here, and then it goes into the messages of the cards as well. Love that they're each individually numbered there, so it's easy access to the guidebook. So we do have about the Time Traveler's Oracle. Imagine that time travel is a reality. Then imagine that a dear friend embarks on journeys throughout time and space and invites you to join them on these various voyages. These are not ordinary journeys. Each is a mystical key into greater awareness and self-knowledge. Simply stepping through the space-time continuum activates profound positive shifts and changes within you. Okay, the deck explained. This oracle is composed of 44 cards that are numbered and alphabetized by the title, which is the energy of the card. Every single card offers a glimpse into another realm or dimension, as well as the opportunity to connect with the frequency and energy of that place and time. This oracle deck is not going to show you how to build a time machine or how to magically transport your body into a different historical period. Instead, you are going to time travel using the power of your consciousness. Each card allows you to experience a different perspective of life, which will in turn allow your sense of yourself to expand. You won't just be viewing world locales, you'll be experiencing them in ways that can ignite all of your senses to awaken greater awareness, unleash powerful feelings, and create new pathways into your future. When you view a card, visualize yourself traveling through time and space to experience all of the sensations, sights, smells, sounds, and emotions. This in turn will allow answers to your questions to emerge naturally. If you use these cards regularly, you'll find solace, healing, and wisdom emerging within you. They can help you decipher secret messages from the universe. Not only does the guidebook for the Time Traveler's Oracle give you information regarding your inquiry, but also simply looking at the images on the face of the card can activate your inner perception. The reason this occurs is because within the collective unconsciousness and the ancestral soul that dwells in each of us are associations and meanings for images that reach back in time. All right. Very cool. Oh, I'm excited about this. So each card acts as an entrance to the consciousness. That's really cool. So it gives you a little ritual, and then choosing the cards, and then interpreting the card and storing them. And then we do have some spreads here. We have a daily spiritual insight, a 1-card reading, 3-card reading, and a 5-card spread, messages from your spirit guardians. Oh, and then a Tree of Life spread. Nice. And a 4 directions. And a Sacred Circle 1-year spread. Very cool. I wasn't expecting all of those spreads. All right. And then it talks about dream communication too. So let's get into this deck here. I am very excited. It is a matte. Back of the card. Let's talk about cardstock here. Flexible, on the medium thin side, not super thick. I think it's going to shuffle just fine. Very, very, very flexible. All right. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to read the title because it might not pick up on the screen very well. So this is abundance. We have a number, the title, and then it says the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Gives us the location. Very pretty. Activation, humans discovering fire in Africa. Adventure, the Silk Road, Inner Mongolia. Boundaries, the Great Wall of China. This is beautiful. Definitely transports you there. Breakthrough, the moon landing. Chaos with Vesuvius in Italy. Communication, the Oracle at Delphi, Greece. Courage, Vikings in the New World. Creativity, the Venice Renaissance, Italy. Deliberation, at the feet of Lao Tzu, China. Expansion, planet Jupiter. Exuberance, the Roaring Twenties in Paris. Flexibility, a prehistoric bamboo forest, Southeast Asia. Flow, the River Nile in Egypt. Focus, the Shaolin Temple in China. Freedom, 1963, I Have a Dream speech. Grounded, Uluru, Australia. Growth, the Amazon rainforest, Brazil. Happiness, Shambhala, Himalayas. Healing, dream temples of Asclepius with Greece. Higher consciousness, Sirius, Pleiades, and Arcturus. Leadership, ancient Egypt. Life force energy, the Maasai. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sorry if I'm not. In Africa. Light, ooh, the angelic realm. Love, the Taj Mahal in India. Magic, Glastonbury, Britain. Miracles, the Northern Lights in Iceland. Patience, under the Bodhi tree in northern India. Peace, St. Francis of Assisi, Italy. Planning, Machu Picchu, Peru. Love the llama. Playfulness, Woodstock, New York. Love it. Power, dinosaurs in the Jurassic period. Protection, the Cave of the Hands, Argentina. Purification, the Ganges River, India. Reflection, Mount Shasta's Moon, California. Stability, a baobab tree in Africa. Stillness, a Zen monastery, Japan. Strength, Joan of Arc, France. Transcending, Atlantis. Transformation, Rumi of Persia. Trust, Polynesian voyagers, the Pacific Ocean. Truth, the Cherokee talking stick tradition. Vast vistas, nomads at the steppes of Mongolia. And 44, vitality, the sun. Beautiful. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh, yeah. That is actually a really nice flexible shuffle there. I want to try it this way, side by side, since it's so flexible. Not as good this way. This way works a little bit more. Yeah, I like it that way. Okay. And overhand. Yeah, I'm not mad at the card stock at all. It does exactly what it should be doing, and it shuffles really well. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, grounded. Uluru, Australia. All right. We are standing at the base of Uluru, a huge sandstone formation in the arid center of Australia. To the Pit Junt Jat Jara, the Aboriginal people of the area, this upraised ground is hollowed. It's easy to understand why as we watch the morning sunrise. The radiant red color of this monolith shimmers in the rising heat. We want to walk around the base of this sacred site, but we first rub the Aucher earth over our bodies. This grounds us and allows us to step into the alignment with the rhythms of the land. As we walk, we can feel the potent energy of this ancestral land. The spirits are strong here. At one point, the sinuous energy of the python spirit arises. She knows that we mean no harm, so we pass easily. We become aware of the various animal spirits arising to greet us. The undulating, sonorous sound of a didgeridoo embraces us. The sound ebbs and flows and seems to penetrate deep within. We feel deeply grounded to the earth in this ancient land. All right, the time traveler's message. This is the time to ground yourself with what is important in life. Let everything else go. Relinquish the flurry and the busyness of life. Release worry about the future and let go of rehashing your past. Take time to be present and reflect. You need to ground your energy to take advantage of the opportunities awaiting you. You are called to dive deeper. Go beneath the surface to discover hidden gems. Take a second look at things that you may have dismissed the first time around. Explore your roots to uncover what is valuable in life. Honor your ancestors. There may be something that seemed closed and forgotten that is ready to open. Stand firm in what you know to be true. Being grounded means that people or situations that are unsupportive do not sway you. Stand up for others who can't protect themselves. Okay, first of all, I love the whole concept of this. I think it's stunning. It's beautiful. I love that you can use this for multiple different reasons. You can use this as a daily pull. You can use this for spirituality purposes. You can use this for ancestral work, shadow work even. It's just beautiful. I don't really have anything negative to say. I completely understand the concept, and I think it works. I think it's beautiful. The art is stunning, and I love the different keywords here. And just the fact that like this is very much like a portal where you can look at the images and then get certain intuitive hits and just be there at that snapshot in time is really cool. And I love how it goes along with the different keywords too. The messages is great. I love that it kind of takes us on a journey into the art here and then gives us the message. So that's really, really cool. I'm excited to get to know this a lot better. I think this is a really interesting concept, and I am excited to like dig deeper with it. I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are on this deck. Is this something you're excited about? Do you have any of Denise's other decks that you really enjoy working with? What are your thoughts? Let me know all of those down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck. I am so excited, like I said. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.